In this video, I'm going to be taking this BASELIT lightsaber and this very nice Neopixel lightsaber, and I'm going to be doing a drop test on both of them. The BASELIT is one of two lightsabers from the twins lightsabers. Both these lightsabers are by N-Sabers, and the Neopixel is this very, very nice Revan lightsaber with the SNV4 Pro board. Both these lightsabers are available at N-Sabers, which you can use my code HALEON to save 15% off your entire order. More on that later in the video, but let's get to the drop test. Any thoughts on which saber can withstand dropping better? I assume the BASELIT will also withstand dropping better. In addition to sparring, this is in the context of trying to do tricks that involve throwing the sabers in the air and catching them. Not sure if twirling includes the act of throwing and catching. As a matter of fact, twirling does include the act of throwing and catching. You can check out those videos at Lightsaber Culture on their YouTube channel. The link will be in the description box below. But to answer your dropping question, that's what we're going to find out right now. And like I said before, this is the BASELIT lightsaber, the Twins series that you can get at nsabers.com. And this is the Revan lightsaber, the Neopixel, that you can also get at nsabers.com. Both these lightsabers are from N-Sabers. This is a very, very nice Neopixel. As you can see here, I'm probably going to damage it quite a bit, but we'll see. Okay, so here goes. Purple is the Neopixel, and green is the BASELIT. All right. We'll drop it at about hip level waist, okay? Hopefully you can see that. About shoulder. They seem to be doing all right. Let's say you're doing a twirling stunt. Or like if you're doing a catch that you happen to miss. I can hear the bass, the thing that connects the other twins lightsaber is becoming loose. I'll just tighten it. And I'm already scraping it. You probably can't tell on camera, but yeah, scraping it. And if you're dueling, we'll try this. Hopefully you saw that on camera. The color did change. I don't know if I did that. It's now white for whatever reason. So. Oh, I activated the blade lock. Oh, now my buttons are kind of hard to press. Still works. I really hope this looks okay on camera. Okay, here we go. I'm like hitting it off screen. Everything's still looking totally decent. Some of the stuff's coming loose though, like You can see so much scratches and... Oh, I'm hitting the mic. Hopefully that's showing up. You see that? And damages to the bottom of the lightsaber. And mosquitoes. And also the hilt itself. And I want to see if I can still connect to the Bluetooth app real quick. I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as possible for you guys. Okay, here we go. Forest Park. Okay, we'll try Saber Control, see if I can change the color. Oh, I can, okay. Let's go back to purple. This is pink. Wait, did I lose red? I lost red! Look, there's no red! Why is that a thing? I'm cycling through the colors, no red. Interesting. Okay. So, still green, BASELIT, purple Neopixel. Oh, weird. What is that?
Flash off.
Let's see if I can connect that app again, because this Neopixel basically, it's still on, but the... Oh, I wonder if the blade disconnected, because I can still see the light. No! Okay. I'll be right back. I got the tools in the car. Dang, I actually didn't want to make any cuts in this video, but I should have brought my tool out right away. There, see? I knew it! I knew it! Now we'll see if we can get red. Oh yeah, it was out. I could feel it. It pulled in more. These are like really good things to discover. Things that I didn't foresee happening. Okay, so now we got the Neopixel back. We'll try the app again. Oh, I think we might get red again, maybe. Yep, there we go. That's red. There, that's back to purple. Oh, I'm getting bit up by mosquitoes. Here's a Neopixel getting hit by the BASELIT. It changed the color to blue. Hopefully this stays in frame. Okay, it turned off, but that could be just because of the gesture controls. Oh, it's like malfunctioning quite a bit. It still works! I mean, I'm not sure how much more you guys want me to go with this. Oh, that's off frame.
Power please charge.
Oh, it told me to charge the battery. BASELIT's still going strong. So maybe you're right, kind of. I think the BASELIT...
Connected.
Yeah, there's a weird spot in the BASELIT blade. You probably can't see that on camera very well. You can see that it's really bright here. There's a spot right here, and then obviously at the emitter. Okay, it says it's connected. I wonder if I could still use the app with the Neopixel. Okay, I think it might be dead for now. It told me to recharge the battery, but it still sometimes says connected.
Connected.
See? So I'm not sure what's going on. Make sure you subscribe, if you guys want to stay up to date with my lightsaber tests. And remember, you can use code Haleon at nsabers.com to save yourself 15% off of your entire order any time of the year. What was that? Yeah, Last Jedi. Luke Skywalker. Hopefully you guys found this video informative. Please share this video with your friends so you guys don't have to go through the abuse yourself. You guys can have fun with your lightsabers. I'm getting bit by a lot of mosquitoes. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Well, the sound quit on that one. There's something loose in here, and it's not the base.